Hi, I'm showing how to use Google Meet in laptop. Open Google Chrome and type Google. Click on Google Meet so you can get Google Meet like this. Here you can see start a meeting or enter meeting code. If you have a meeting code, type it here and click on join, then you will be entering into their meeting. You want to start a meeting, then click on start meeting. Then you will be getting like this. For this you need a Gmail account. If you have Gmail account, you will be directly redirected into this page. The page will be seen like this. So your meeting is ready. So this is the meeting code. You can send this so that your participants can join in this. Now you can see here mic, you can turn off or turn on, and this is camera. You can on your camera or off your camera. And here you can see more options. By clicking this, you'll be getting turn on captions, settings, report a problem, report abuse, help. By turning on the captions, it will be just like subtitles. On settings, you can see regarding audio settings like microphone or speakers, video settings and general settings. So it's already defaultly set. You can click on done, and then once all you are set, you can click on join now. So you'll be getting a screen like this. So this is a code, so you can copy this and you can share it, so that by clicking on this they can enter into this meeting. And here you can see the meeting details like info and attachments like that. And on the top of that you can see number of participants, and you can chat with any one of your persons who are there in the meeting. Turn on captions, and by clicking on present now, you can share your entire screen or a window or a Chrome tab. It's your wish. There will be more options, so you can change your layout. You can switch to full screen, turn on captions, settings, report a problem, report abuse, help. And once all your meeting is done, click on this leave call, so your meeting will be ended. You can either return to this or you can rejoin this. In this way you can use Google Meet in laptop. Thank you.
Hi, I am showing how to use Google Meet app in your mobile. For this, you need to install Google Meet in Play Store. So that, click on install button. When once the app is installed, click on open. You will be getting a screen like this. Then click on continue. For this, you need a Gmail account. So select your Gmail account. And you will be getting a screen like this. On the screen, you will be seeing two icons, one for mic and another one for video. You can unmute or mute by clicking on mic. You can on your video or off your video by clicking on the video. If you have a meeting code, you just click on meeting code and type the code here and click on join meeting. If you want to create a new meeting, then click on new meeting. Then you will be getting a code. This code you can share it to someone so that they can join into your meeting. And in the screen there are some more features. That one is for chat. You can type messages to your participants from here, and this button will be for participants. You can see how many participants are there in the group, and this is information regarding code. You can pass it, you can share it this to the participants, you can see three dots on the top right corner. By clicking on that, you'll be getting some more settings like switch camera, turn on captions, present screen, report a problem, report abuse, help, cancel. By clicking on switch camera, your camera can be turned into either front view or back view. And turn on captions, this will be just like subtitles. So whatever you are saying, that will be seen on the screen. So for us it's no need, so I will off that. And then you can click on present screen. When you click on present screen, whatever there in your mobile screen will be shared to the participants. So once your all sharing is completed, then click on stop presentation. So in this manner you can share your screen. Click on cancel. When all your meeting is completed, then click on the button where you can see disconnecting while disconnecting a call. Click on that, so you will be ended your meeting. So in this way we can use Google Meet